Here we are in Magaluf on the boat to Palmanova. Cowboys loving it. Usual. Enjoying it, Marky boy. Some view.
Usual.
Gary boy. It's a video.
Oh, is it?
Posing for full. So we've just come in this little boat trip to check it all out. We're going to go for a snorkel.
This isn't a stop here. You need to go out. Oh no, you don't snorkel into a fucking deep bit, do you?
Aye, that's the whole point.
Okay.
So you see the fish. So, fantastic. Usual.
Picture the scene. Other fucking week there in the Bollywood Tommy. Getting the boy the tank in our lifetime. He's sitting in the corner all biscuit erst. So, some cunt comes walking in, starts staring at me, right fucking at me, as if to say, come ahead, square go. And you ken me, I'm the cunt, just go looking for ball, like.
Of course, yeah.
But I've got a cue in my horn, he can get a fat end in his puss anytime he wants.
Alright.
Try that.
So